Good morning, everybody. I hope you're all doing really well. Again, it's Saturday and I'm on another nature walk, and today we are on a place called Shellford Picnic Place, which is in Himbleton. It's in the middle of the countryside, and it's absolutely beautiful. This is literally where I used to come when I was younger, and this is where my childhood memories actually are. And I thought I would just quickly show you guys. It's only a little place, like a little country, like it's hidden in the country, but it's just a little place, but it's absolutely beautiful. The water is quite high at the minute due to the weather conditions, but normally you'll be able to like walk across and stuff like that. But I'll just quickly show you the whole place, like what it looks like, and then we're going to just quickly take a little walk around the area and just see if we can spot anything. Okay guys, so from the footage you can see it's only a tiny little place, but it's like great if you want to come up here, especially in the summer. There's like a little picnic table and everything, and just like a little stream of water, and it's just so relaxing and so calming. And also around this whole area is surrounded with fields, which has currently got horses in, so I'll just show you. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see the horses, but I will show you. So you may be able to just see just there in the distance that there are two horses. Oh, it's quite slippy here, but yeah, just there through the gaps you can see through the trees there. There's two horses over there. So as you can see, that tree there, look how lovely that tree is over there. Try and zoom in. I can't get any closer to it because it's actually flooded a bit just down here, which is the pathway. I don't know how well you can see, but it is flooded down there, so I can't actually get over to this side. But that tree is absolutely gorgeous. I love how it sort of like splits into two and then carries on all the way over to that side. And then as you just turn the camera over here, you have this tiny little bridge here that you can walk over. And then either side of it, you've got the stream that runs through. And again, another tree over here. It's just a really nice place to come, especially in the summer. And that's the other side. If you continue just over the other side of the bridge, just to the right here is another like little pathway you can go down. It's got some bits of like old trees and stuff, but as you can see, you just simply can walk around there, and you can go and sit on the bank there, and you can watch the water flow. Like that. That's it. And then again, if you wanted to, you could have a little chair here or something, and you could just sit here and enjoy the stream there in just the view. And as you can see here guys, you have like a bit of a tunnel, and you can just see that normally this water isn't this high, and actually it's actually a lot lower. But as you can see, like normally it would be a lot lower, and you have that sort of like round archway, which is absolutely stunning.